Hello everyone, my name is Shubham Maggu.
My name is Tushar Kayal.
My name is
My name is Sai Magar.
My name is Pawan Bhore.
My name is Sanskar Amgoye.
Today we are here to talk about gender equality, which means giving equal right, opportunities and respect to everyone regardless their gender.
Through this campaign, we want to spread awareness and encourage everyone to support gender equality. And also, gender equality is not just a concept; it is necessity for a progressive society.
Thank you. Should boys learn cooking and household skills?
Yes, I think they should learn.
Do you think society treats boys and girls equally?
Right now they don't. Right now they do, but before it was not the same.
Safe at workplaces at night.
Sometimes they feel safe.
Okay. Do you support gender equality?
Yes, I support gender equality.
Gender awareness can help create a better society.
Yes, gender awareness can plays important role to build a better society because people can understood respect and respect gender or opposite genders and equality between the genders.
Allowed to choose their career they want?
Yes, of course, because career is not defined. Every girl should have freedom to choose their career because talent and ability not defined by gender.
Thank you.
And also face pressure because of traditional gender roles.
Yes, I personally feel that by looking at current generation, the kind of culture girl students are adopting. Sometimes even boys feel insecure in terms of this. Yeah, I feel it is there.
Do you think society still expects different roles from men and women, and why?
Yes, maybe not in especially if you see remote places or village places, these kinds of things are still there. But when it comes to some educated family or some metropolitan kind of cities where these kind of mentality is not there. But when it comes to remote, when you go for remote places like villages or people where they don't have that much awareness, where we have these kinds of issues.
Okay, thank you.
Equality?
Yes, everyone should support gender equality because it helps to create a respectful society for all.
Gender discrimination exists in society.
Yes, gender discrimination still exists in society. Women faces many unequal opportunities in sectors like leadership.
Should men and women get equal pay for the same work?
Yes, they should receive equal pay if they possess the same skills, and I think equal wages increases respect and fairness in the workplace. It also encourages women to participate more in the workforce.
Do you think gender awareness can create a better society?
Yes, I think gender awareness can create a better society. It teaches people how to be respectful and how to treat everyone equally, regardless of gender. And it can also reduce discrimination and gender stereotypes. And it can be a more balanced life.
समानतेला प्रोत्साहन देते का?
हो देते. ॲक्च्युअली असं काय मुलगा मुलगी असं काय भेदभाव करत नाही आणि असं आमच्या बघण्यात त्रास पण कधी काय झालेत नाही. असं काहीच प्रश्न येत नाही कोणत्याही बाबतीत असं हे करत की आजपर्यंत केलेलं नाही कारण करणार नाही.
Children with a mindset of gender equality.
Parents can teach their children that girls and boys both are capable of doing and deserving the things, and they can avoid the stereotypes of gender inequality.
Can both men and women can become good leaders?
Yes, obviously both men and women can become good leaders as leadership is depend on qualities like confidence, intelligence and leadership qualities. In present situation we are seeing the women are leading in every field. So yes, both women and men can be leaders.
Okay,
Thank you.